A lot of homeowners worry about what their home inspection may reveal. If the home doesn't pass inspection, the sale may fall through or the seller may find themselves on the hook for costly repairs. Hi there, I'm Brad Chandler with Express Home Buyers. For nearly 20 years, we've been buying homes as is for cash. When you sell your home to us, you don't have to worry about the results of your home inspection. We'll give you a cash offer for the home in its current condition. You won't have to make any repairs or deal with any home inspection items because there are none. We'll pay you cash and buy without any contingencies. That's right, you can have cash in your hands within days of contacting us. And we'll schedule a closing date that's best for you. We'll even pay all your closing costs. You won't pay any commissions or fees. So put your inspection concerns at ease. Contact us today and let us make you a cash offer on your house as is.
Express Home Buyers, we buy your house in 7